the thorium fuel cycle, harnessed by the neighboring FBTR reactor. Indonesia P3 Tech, an agency of the Indonesia Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resource, has reviewed a thorium molten salt reactor by Thorcon called the TMSR 500. The study reported that building a Thorcon TMSR 500 would meet Indonesia's regulations for nuclear energy safety and performance. Israel. In May 2010, researchers from Ben-Gurion University of the Negev in Israel and Brookhaven National Laboratory in New York began to collaborate on the development of thorium reactors, aimed at being self-sustaining, meaning one that will produce and consume about the same amounts of fuel, which is not possible with uranium in a light water reactor. Japan. In June 2012, Japan utility Chubu Electric Power wrote that they regard thorium as one of future possible energy resources. Norway. In late 2012, Norway's privately owned Thor Energy, in collaboration with the government and Westinghouse, announced a 4-year trial using thorium in an existing nuclear reactor. In 2013, Aker Solutions purchased patents from Nobel Prize-winning physicist Carlo Rubbia for the design of a proton accelerator-based thorium nuclear power plant. South Africa. In South Africa, Steenkamp Skrall Thorium's planned 100-megawatt HTMR-100 NPP reactor is based on a variant of the pebble bed modular reactor. United Kingdom and Britain. One organization promoting or examining research on thorium-based nuclear plants is the Alvin Weinberg Foundation. House of Lords member Bryony Worthington is promoting thorium, calling it the forgotten fuel that could alter Britain's energy plans. However, in 2010, the UK's National Nuclear Laboratory, NNL, concluded that for the short to medium term, the thorium fuel cycle does not currently have a role to play, in that it is technically immature and would require a significant financial investment and risk without clear benefits, and concluded that the benefits have been overstated. Friends of the Earth UK considers research into it as useful as a fallback option. United States. In its January 2012 report to the United States Secretary of Energy, the Blue Ribbon Commission on America's Future notes that a molten salt reactor using thorium has also been proposed. That same month, it was reported that the U.S. Department of Energy is quietly collaborating with China on thorium-based nuclear power designs using an MSR. Some experts and politicians want thorium to be the pillar of the U.S. nuclear future. Then Senators Harry Reid and Orrin Hatch supported using $250 million in federal research funds to revive ORNL research. In 2009, Congressman Joe Sestak unsuccessfully attempted to secure funding for research and development of a destroyer-sized reactor of a size to power a destroyer using thorium-based liquid fuel. Alvin Radkowski, chief designer of the world's second full-scale atomic electric power plant in Shippingport, Pennsylvania, founded a joint U.S. and Russian project in 1997 to create a thorium-based reactor, considered a creative breakthrough. In 1992, while a resident professor in Tel Aviv, Israel, he founded the U.S. company Thorium Power Ltd. Near Washington, D.C., to build thorium reactors. The primary fuel of the proposed HT3R research project near Odessa, Texas, United States, will be ceramic-coated thorium beads. The reactor construction has not yet begun. Estimates to complete a reactor were originally set at 10 years in 2006, with a proposed operational date of 2015. On the research potential of thorium-based nuclear power, Richard L. Garwin, winner of the Presidential Medal of Freedom, and Georges Charpak advise further study of the energy amplifier in their book Megawatts and Megatons, 2001, pp. 153-63. Clean Core Thorium Energy, a Chicago-based corporation, created and patented a proprietary mixture of uranium and thorium for HALEU, high-assay low-enriched uranium. The fuel mixture is called ANEL, Advanced Nuclear Energy for Enriched Light.